The harvest season enters its peak period and food products from a massive bumper yield are making their way to markets across the country. Vendors at Serekunda market have raised concern over the hike in prices of basic products, despite the period of the harvest season when prices of major consumable products are expected to be lower. Siaka Sane, one of the vendors at the market, highlighted some of the major challenges they are facing, and key among which is the high price of seedlings that have resulted in low groundnut harvest compared to the previous years.
Atumo ebe turol sana sertala atari telbuka turo mabo netio sene ikatio nyimbe wa fila la nyankitima ni ta da sanyi folo la turo sana turo si ser so niyo turo sang ikala fe munne buka soto noje yaje nanyim banko kan sa niyo domonde un sene rek janni jare ko kabanne ko si baji la sama ko mun kanano ka bono mali fo mun ka boje wala ka shianga mun soto sene jang yaje jang 1 month 2 month ka ta kitin band so sante ikatala ko te fo Guinea Bissau ko si jambanne ka sama siban sai fo Guinea Bissau so wala ka kitin serin.
Food merchant Hawanjai, who sells groundnut and other products, explained the low profits he gains on a daily basis, despite the money she spent to buy supplies on wholesale.
Gerte bi de seer la def waaye seer bi nag du si borom gerte yi parce que maalo bi si boppam moo seer soo jaayee sa gerte da ngay dem jënd maalo kon gerte bi seeraay bi si maalo bi la loolu moo tax kenn du mun a wax kenn ne bagage bi dafa seer. waaw dama ko dee jaay yeneen saa yi du ma am dara xaalis bi rek laay am ma jox ko borom ma toog noonu.
Fruits like watermelon are also making a bracing comeback, with traders flooding the market with different varieties of the popular fruit. Watermelon dealer Modu Job, who trades on a wholesale basis, explained the difficulties he encountered in transporting his product to the market and the cost he incurred at the end of the day.
Abe kolealal de fruit saro daiji. Katu sai niaje saro kana no nyami ngani sai afatatale. Nunto hani sara dingo fo e kajo mototo le dalsilulu. Bane saradin keme fulata moto tiyo ba fule ko sarawo sare kajo kemella wara mambal isore sarawo sare kajo dal stand muwannela wara mambal dol wato dole ka foyle ko tanni lulu o dalsi muwang so saro abuko adabe kana fi adabe dalsi tanni lulu muwang.
Abundant rains and a season of bumper harvest have still been acutely affected by climate change, which affected rainfall patterns, leading to immense product loss for farmers who had to grapple with significant weather changes in the cropping season. Baaba, Sillah, GRTS.